These are exotic birds. These macaws are having a secret chat. I wouldn't be surprised if they were plotting something horrid. The red eye is an indication that this bird is a cyborg, or a Terminator. In bird form, cyborgs are referred to as cybirds. If you look closely, you'll see the metal frame where feathers once were. Whoa, look out for this guy. A little known fact, birds are actually great watch thieves. This bird is scoping it out. Ooh, not bad, she's thinking, and then climbs up the man's forearm pretending to not be interested. But she's totally going to steal that watch. Oh no, it's worse than expected. The macaws are in the middle of a home invasion. They've ransacked the house and are now holding hostages. They're quite fearsome. This cage used to be filled with exotic birds, but this cat has taken care of that. It won't be long before it's entirely empty. This little bird is trying to blend in with the wall. It's not working. These two lovebirds are sucking face. Ooh la la. We've been caught. Here we see one of the hostages keeping the intruders at bay. Our prayers are with her. You probably recognize this bird from your nightmares. Ooh, he's terrifying. The hostage has thrown a towel at the macaws to try to distract them. It seems to be working. Perhaps she's planning an escape. This cyborg must have gotten wet and is starting to short-circuit. It'll probably need reprogramming. Due to high repair costs, cybirds such as this often end up in the scrapyard. Oh, and she's trying to make a break for it. And oh no, the macaw has a hold of her. She's struggling to break free, but escape is no easy feat. And she's done it! It shouldn't be long now before these rascals are back behind bars. And now it's time to leave the birds behind. I hope you've learned something. Farewell.